Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 online. First, you will need to have the base game installed on your computer. We will then explore the steps to get the multiplayer modification up and running. This will allow you to connect with thousands of other players across various servers, experiencing a dynamic and interactive trucking world. Get ready to hit the virtual roads with friends. To begin, navigate to the Truckers MP website and create a free account. This account links to your Steam profile, verifying your game ownership. Once registered, download the dedicated multiplayer client installer. Run the installer, following the on-screen prompts carefully. Remember, having a fully updated version of Euro Truck Simulator 2 is crucial for a smooth installation process and seamless gameplay. With Truckers MP installed, launch the client to see a list of available servers. You can choose between different server types, such as simulation for realistic driving or arcade for a more relaxed experience. Each server can host up to several thousand players simultaneously. Always adhere to the community rules, which are clearly outlined on their website, to ensure a fair and enjoyable environment for everyone. To truly enhance your online trucking adventures, consider joining a virtual trucking company. These groups organize large convoys and events, adding a new layer of immersion. Use the in-game chat and the CB radio feature to communicate with fellow drivers, fostering a sense of community. Look out for special community events and unique routes that offer exciting challenges and opportunities to explore the vast map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.